Hi Mara, this is Michaela. Thanks so much for taking my call today. As promised, I've made you a quick 5 to 6 minute video just showcasing different ways that Google ranks people along their Google platform, allowing you to get new leads, better quality lasting leads, and definitely get seen by more people, increasing the size of your business, okay? So without further ado, I'll get started. To start things off, I'm going to go over 3 topics that I know that Google looks for when ranking people along the Google platform. Having a good extensive background in digital marketing, I can tell you that these 3 things are the biggest 3 things that Google looks at, okay? Number 1 being content. And what do I mean by content? Content is anywhere that actual text shows up on your website. So looking at your home page, you do have a little bit of text here. I can tell you that from looking at some of your competition's pages who are ranking higher than you, and I'll just show you for example, Angel Maids here are number 1 in the Nashville area for maid services, and they definitely have not a ton of content here, so they're definitely ranking on other ways, but just looking at their site, I can tell you what's going to set you apart just from comparing the two. It's going to be about 1,500 words on your homepage. Let's talk about why that's important. When you do some type of basic Google search for anything, Wikipedia always comes up as number 1. Why is that? Well, it's because they have the most content. So when Google sees a content-rich site, it naturally starts moving it up the ranks, okay? Also looking at your other pages, you definitely do have text available on your other pages. I just don't think there's enough. We recommend anywhere between 750 to 1,000 words on each additional page that you offer. Again, Google loves seeing extra pages and extra content. So the more content and the more pages you have on your site, the more Google's going to recognize you and move you naturally up those rankings, okay? I wanted to show you this site. This is my Ahrefs. It kind of gives me just a basic breakdown of what is going on within your site. These numbers, we like to be as close to a 1-to-1 ratio, so this is good. We just like them to be higher, like 30 and above. So how do we get there? We get there by referring domains. The number of backlinks don't really matter. It's the number of referring domains and the quality of those referring domains. So I recommend getting good quality backlinks and on good trusted sites. That's going to make these numbers go up, and again, allowing Google to move you up those rankings. Right now you can see here that only 3 people typically click on your website per month. So you're unfortunately not getting much traffic through your website, and I can show you why. When you click on your keywords here that you're currently ranking for, the highest ranking you have is at position 15, which is automatically at the bottom of page 2. And that's for cleaning jobs in Chattanooga. When we look for home cleaning in Nashville, you're at the bottom of page 2, maybe even pushed onto page 3. Maid services, house cleaning services in Nashville, again at 21. So you're just not being seen, nor are you being targeted for probably the right keywords. So what we recommend is doing, when you place those keywords within the text that is available on your site, then Google finds it and you rank higher naturally from that. I wanted to compare your numbers to angelmaids.net here. You can see they're getting 450 people visiting their website every month. So they're definitely ranking for a lot more, also ranking for a lot more keywords. So within the text that I'm recommending that we add to your website, we add keywords that will rank you all as well. Okay. One other factor that they look for is this GMB, or Google My Business. We always call this the map pack. And these top 3 people here get the most business just because they're visible. They're in people's face and they see them, okay? So with the Google My Business, citations are how we rank high on this platform. A citation is anywhere that your name, phone number, and address, or your location show up in any type of online directory. So think Yelp and Yellow Pages, okay? And I have the ability to see how many these top competitors of yours have, knowing how many you would need to beat them and to stay in the top position. So number 1 is going to be content for your website. Number 2 is going to be good quality backlinks. And number 3 is going to be a good number of citations, pushing you up to the top of Google. I look forward to hearing from you. If you could just send me an email letting me know that you received this, tell me what you thought about this information. I'll reach out to you soon, and I hope you have a good day, Mara. Bye-bye.